Well, good morning. I'm Jay Allen, president of Itawamba Community College. Welcome to our Fulton campus as we officially reopen the W.O. Benjamin Fine Arts Auditorium. We appreciate each of you joining us this morning. Well, those groups which provide necessary support for us to carry out our mission, please wave or stand as I call out the group. Former ICC presidents, ICC Board of Trustees, area legislators, and our outstanding supervisors. Stand or wave. Tiny, I know you're back there. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you for your attendance today and continued support. Today, we express our appreciation to all of those who have played a significant role in translating our vision for this center. It truly took a team to make this happen. I also want to recognize Tim Center, VP of Human Resources Administration, and John Wayne Harris, Director of Projects, for the leadership they have provided for this renovation. Our newly crowned ICC Most Beautiful, Zoe Bingham, is with us this morning. Zoe, where'd you go? There she is back there. She's here and help me welcome her as she represents the student body over this next year. Lastly, thanks to all of you who may be in attendance and had a hand in this project. From vendors to contractors to our ICC employees, thank you. Since the beginning of this project last fall, the goal was to bring the 1978 space that is abundantly utilized by our students, employees, and the community back to modern life that will hopefully serve us another 48 years. This 24,000 square foot facility had no major upgrades since it was built. As you will see when you tour this home for our arts, nearly every inch has been upgraded. While we still await some design items to be installed and lobby furniture to arrive due to the COVID delays, we all know too well we could not wait any longer to allow our performing groups back on this stage, but this is only phase one. Phase two will include a complete audio and visual package to be installed later this year, including any spaces also not updated during this phase one, followed by the concepting of phase three to reconfigure this entrance and patio that you're sitting on now that welcomes guests to the complex. Again, we appreciate your attendance today and invite you to join us as we cut the ribbon to our formally reopen the renovated space. Immediately following, please step inside and enjoy some light refreshments and tour the improved W.O. Benjamin Fine Arts Auditorium, 2 classrooms, the lecture and demonstration room, and the art gallery. So at this time, if you will all join us up here for the ribbon cutting, we'll be right here under the balloons.
1, 2, 3.
Really big week for you guys. Renovated the Fine Arts building here. Just talk about the excitement of the new building.
Well, with anything like a big project like this, there's whenever you throw a stone in water, there's going to be some ripples. And so the community has really been behind. The faculty's been really helpful getting everything worked out when we're we're displaced from our home, getting all this stuff worked out, and the students have been really itching to get back into their home and get ready for this performance. And I think the long wait is absolutely worth it. If you look inside, it's a warm, welcoming environment. Still going to be a beautiful performance venue, but it's definitely not gloomy. It's this beautiful, bright space. The acoustics, I can't wait to get in there and test them out with the choir. Which we're going to be this Friday at 7 o'clock. It's going to be the Choir and Chamber Spring Concert. And that's all part of that Week of the Arts. So last night we kicked it off over at the Band Hall with the Center Stage production. Tonight's going to be, I believe, Fashion Tribe. And then Thursday's going to be the Wind Ensemble and symphonic band concert, and then Friday is going to be our spring concert.
Talk about what it means to have this new facility, or newly upgraded facility here at the college.
Well, to have an update to our Fine Arts Auditorium here on the Fulton campus is really just a great opportunity for the college. It's so heavily used by our community, by our student population. So many different special events and fine arts performances occur on that stage. And so what a great time to pause after 45 years roughly and do a renovation. And not just a renovation of general appearances, but also coming up through this next year with audio-visual upgrades as well. Going to be a tremendous change in what people have seen in the past. There's no more orange chairs and orange sound panels on the wall. Those are gone. And so it's a beautiful renovation, but also something that will be so widely used by our college and our communities that we serve.